are left in the house. This is my house now. Things are badly, terribly wrong. Everything is going down. I need to make a new house. How do you want? Still raining. I'm gonna check my house again. Who runs away from his own house? That's me. Irene runs away from his own house. There we go. This is how my house looks like now. So luckily it's flooding now. It's flood. Nice. It was not big, a lot of rain because sometimes when it's a lot, it's always a half of these bananas. So today was not very many. I sneakily be nice to my mama here. Not unless I be a refugee. The husband deport me. The rain now kick me out of my tent. The rain has not stopped, and the wind destroyed my tent. Water everywhere. Water everywhere, man. And the road tore my tent. What a good moment is this. Oh, lucky I still have a little bit. And rather it is still there. Oh, my tent, my tent full. Oh, it's so horribly. Things went wrong. So much. My kitchen garden also, the wind damaged it with this rod. And this is now how my house looking like. Holy moly. What a horrible moment I have here. Ooh, I don't know where to sleep tonight, but I need to make my house back to normal. So I'm just waiting for the rain to stop, then I quickly start doing the repair of my tent. The rain has stopped and I just wanna repair the damage that the wind has caused here by the storm, whatever. So because I need to have somewhere to sleep tonight, this is my house and I'm living off grid in this tent. This is where my life is, so I need to do it today after this rain has stopped. It is still stormy, as you can see. It's not gone far, so I just need to be very fast so that I can tie back this rod that falls in the kitchen garden as it goes the other side. So just be with me to support me. Watch my video till to the end. So cold, I'm shivering. My sister is just stepping on the spinach. That is holy vegetable. I just want to spot this. This is so short. Elsa, wait, just for tonight, you see, look at my garden. It falls here. Oh, the tails are broken. The stem was there. The ties there. Tails. Alright, so I'm just gonna wash my hands so that I can fix. Gonna fix here quick. So these rods fall under here. Then I got this one was torn, and this one came out of its hole here. So I'm just gonna fix this. Back to normal. My house is ready. So my house is so ready. Back to basics. The inside is flooded, but anyway, tomorrow morning I will square the flooded sections. Everybody, it's a very beautiful day today. After yesterday, the rain forced me to seek a refuge at my mama's place, so I just want to clean my little bits of water that I have here in the house. Everywhere is water.